Okay, who you starting with? Who's
Arnie.
Arnie? Do you have Arnie?
Okay.
Okay. Did you find him? Okay, who's next? Turn the page. Captain Bacchus. Okay, hand him to Mommy. Okay, who's next? Turn the page.
Bergie.
Bergie. Where's Bergie's card?
Right here.
Yep. Okay, who's next? Turn the page.
Carlo.
Carlo. You have his card? Thank you.
BJ. On the house card.
We don't have a card for BJ, do we? Who's next?
Dad.
Dags. Thank you. Who's next? Who is it?
Golly.
Goalie Ellie. Thank you. We don't have his card.
Golly.
Goliaro? Where's Goliaro's card? Oh, there he is. Who's that? Yeah, we don't have a card for him, do we? Who's that? Barrett Knuckles. Thank you. Who's next? Jamie.
We have card.
Yep, we found his card.
We have card.
Yep.
We have card.
Who's next?
Ow, my foot. Yeah.
Yeah, you hurt your foot too.
No, Jamie's foot.
Jamie's foot is all better, right?
Ow, my foot.
Yeah, you hurt your foot.
It's all out.
Okay, turn the page. Who's that?
Me. Oh my God, no place.
Oh, where's his card? Where's his card?
I don't know.
It's over there.
Oh, it's just a mom too. Mommy too.
Thank you, Jocelyn. Okay, did you kiss his shoulder? Yeah, okay. Who's that?
That's this coat. That's his coat.
Good job. Who's next? Thank you.
Perry.
Perry. Thank you.
It's Goofy.
Hmm?
Petra.
Petra, we're missing his card.
Good player high card.
Roman,
For me.
we're missing his card too.
Good player.
Yeah, but we don't have his card either.
Yeah.
Who's that? Wait, who is it?
Wayne.
Okay, we don't have a card for him. Who's that? Oh, wait a minute, you forgot to do something.
Fluffy.
You didn't kiss his head.
This is card.
Yep. Who is it?
I don't know.
You don't remember? Chat Deuces?
That deuces.
Yeah, that's
We
it.
have his card.
Yeah, we have his card. We found it again. Isn't that fun? We're still missing his. Who's that? Vlad?
But
Yeah. Who's that?
we have his card.
Yep, Steiner. Mm-hmm. Who's that?
Dewey have his card.
All done? You gonna turn to Jaden?
Jane. Jane. It's Jane.
Good job. All done?
No. That's my daddy's sword.
What's this? What's that?
Okay.
All done?